what I think, or even say out loud. To hurt you is not me. There's so much love inside, and I need that to feel. A million moments passing. If my time was going backwards, I'd be with you. I'd be with you. You know I'd be with you. I'd be with you. 'Cause I'm alive. It's taken years for me to make this collide. I'm really focused now, and the waters run dry. I need to reassess this lifestyle and why do things turn out this way.